for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, security alarm, fog lights, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.